million Americans expected to hit the road. And when you're out on the road, the inside of your car can heat up quickly. On a 95-degree day, parts of your vehicle's interior, not the air in the car, but the interior can get to 181 degrees or hotter.
So we have one of our favorites, car coach Lauren Fix, joining us via Skype from Buffalo, New York, on tips on how to protect your car from the sun. Lauren, thank you so much. And, you know, when you're talking upholstery, what are some of the things that you can do to protect it? Do we need to have seat covers on them?
Well, one of the simplest things you can do, because it is expensive to purchase seat covers, which is an option. You can cover your steering wheel also, but it changes the feel of the interior. You don't want that what you're used to in your vehicle. So a lot of people do is they get a big beach blanket and they toss it over the seat itself to protect the leather or the vinyl so it's not so hot. On cloth seats, it's not as bad, but what you really have to watch out is for the seat belts, those metal seat belts. You can burn yourself, but imagine the impact to a child or an older person. So you want to make sure that you cover that up. You can use any type of cloth to cover it just to keep the heat off of it. And also on the dash, it's very easy to buy the screens you can buy. They come in circles. You can open them up, or even a cardboard piece that goes in the windshield to keep it cooler in the vehicle.
Yeah, so let's talk about those sunshades. Where have we come with those, Lauren, in the past few years? Because a lot of times they were bulky, they were hard to open and unlock and stick up there. It was like an extra task that we've had to do. Have they made that easier for people?
Well, I always have the ones that go into the silver circles, you know, but the silver is the best because it's reflecting the heat. You can buy them really reasonably. Way back in the day, we used to use cardboard ones. I'm dating myself. At least they were fun. But you can do that. That's one thing you can do. You can also tint your windows. Now, make sure if you're going to get your windows tinted that you check with your state, because every state has regulations. I know in New York State, where I am, you cannot tint the front windows because police officers can't look inside. So keep in mind there is a safety factor, not just for you, but for police officers. So they don't let you go full dark tint unless you're somewhere like in Florida or Arizona. So make sure you follow your state regulations.
All right, so we've seen video of so many things melting in crayons, makeup, chocolate, you know, things. So what should you absolutely not leave in your vehicle?
Well, I wouldn't leave food in your vehicle because it's not going to be good, especially if you like any of those protein bars. They're really bad. Ooh. Also, anything that's fresh that belongs in the refrigerator will not be edible any longer. Keep in mind that, you know, if you have water in there and it gets hot, and you can let that cool off. That's not a big deal. It doesn't make the water go bad. But anything that you've left in your vehicle, that including electronic devices, do not like heat. They don't mind the cold, but they definitely don't like the heat, and they can destroy the battery life in them as well.
I would imagine a can of soda wouldn't do too well either.
Probably
no, I've seen those explode.
Yes,
the interior cleanup will not be fun. That will not be a fun cleanup.
Laura, we love you. All right.